puri na dala. Tunggu.
Ibermas at Masunod, Alipos sa Magaraw, Camarines Sur, Ponong Integrated, Cadet Major Jesus Corvilla, Corps Commander, Cadet Captain Jenny Brigel, S1, Cadet Captain Joel Katimbang, S2, Cadet Captain Landon Gallego, S3, Cadet Captain Jalalin Arcilio, S4, Cadet Captain Adalin S.I. Corvilla, S5, Major Leader, Lorely Julia, DLC Leader, Yoli Hermina, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Wade Bediones, Company XO, Cadet Lieutenant Emil Gutierrez, First Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Norman Casulia, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Cristina Patron, Teacher in Charge.
Ko kasi Rekin yun sabi ko, nagprogram niya sa itek. Nagkasalang sa laukan dyan ka. Hindi ng badog naan. Naman sa jeep me, kay Pano sa suka. May nag-Korean, si Ray Lopez. Ako pa rin sige sa luwas man si Lopez.
Ano tabing masasabi kang commandant? Speech.
I'm very happy. Na-release ang tension ko.
Oh, palakpakan naman yan. Hindi po. Nagsakripisyo.
Nagputas naman yung medyo doon ako lang kwarta, pero makatapos pa kaya nahali lang. Kapagala.
Oo, sarap na dyan.
Next year
sarap
naman
bagsak
kita.
dyan. Ayun po. Hindi naman kay Sir Don. Sir Don, ano tabing masasabi, Sir? Speech.
Bako magpagal. Mag-participate.
Iyo ba,
Klaro
iba?
kayo na yan. Cooperation.
Ayun po.
Congratulations.
Ayun po. Okay, palakpakan man kita dyan.
For the lucky winners, for the best marching ROTC activated unit.
Oh, Best Marching ROTC Activated Unit Category 3,
City of St. Anthony,
Iriga City, Yusan.
24.
96.24% goes to
Kompleto ho to ha, may pictures, may certification. University of St. Anthony.
the University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Alam mo ba kung bakit tayo dumadami? Dahil nagkakaisa tayo. Hindi tayo marunong makipag-away.
Tayo ay mababait, disiplinado, uto-uto. Ay, sala.
Training. Lumampas ka sa guhit.
Hindi, ako yun eh.
Oh, so,
Best.
tatawagan ko yung isa kong presidente kasi mga presidente ko nagpagod naman. So, Mr. Monte, please.
Mr. Dennis Monte, please.
Ang regional chairman kan mga kamandan sa
Si Liar Corps, Category A.
Then please,
10 plays.
with a score of 94.05,
94.05 goes to
SRNHS, Science and Math Oriented.
Tigaon, Camarines Sur. San Ramon National High School, please. Panay France,
Yeah.
9 plays.
With a score of 94.125,
94.125 goes to
Kinalansan National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
Kinalansan National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Kinalansan, please. Attention all facilitators.
With a score of 94.126,
94.126 goes to
St. Joseph's Academy,
Buhi, Camarines Sur. St. Joseph's Academy, Buhi, Camarines Sur. 7 plays.
with a score of 95.043,
95.043 goes to
St. Andrew Academy, Sangay.
St. Andrew Academy, Sangay, Camarines Sur. St. Andrew, please.
Ang tala na.
St. Andrew. 6 plays.
With a score of 95.100.
95.100 goes to
Pili National High
Oh,
School.
clipboard.
Presentación, Camarines Sur. Pili National High School, Presentación, Camarines Sur.
Clipboard, clipboard, clipboard. Clipboard, dali. Tira. 6. Dali. Dali na. Kitaan naman dito.
St. Andrew is 7th place. 7th place, St. Andrew. St. Andrew, 7th place.
Ano siya mag-clipboard?
6th place.
6th place is Pili National High School. Presentación. Pili National High School. Presentación, please. 5th place.
With a score of 95.105.
95.105 goes to
Basod National High School, Basod Camarines Norte.
Basud National High School. Basud, Camarines Norte.
4th place.
4th place.
With a score of 95.124.
95.124% goes to
Colegio del Santísimo Rosario.
Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Limanan, Camarines Sur.
Sa high school.
Best Watching Majors Category A.
10th place
10th place.
with an average score of 93.053%.
93.053 goes to
Tomas Avila Andaya Senior National High School.
Ragay, Camarines Sur. Tomas Avila Andaya Senior National High School, Ragay. Tomas Avila Andaya Senior National High School. Representative, please. Okay. 9th place.
Okay, 9th place with an average score of 93.076%.
93.076 goes to
Ocampo National High School.
Sipogot, Camarines Sur. Ocampo National High School, Sipogot, Camarines Sur.